Hey everyone, we have new updates to the intelligent pipeline generator. Primarily, with this update, the Python coding agent is built right into the tool. What this means is that instead of writing your own Python code separately and then using IPG, we can now create Python programs directly within the tool just by using simple prompts. So let's get started with it. First of all, we'll log into the application, click on the plus sign, and create a new Python project. We'll create this Python project to create our Python application first, and then we'll feed this Python application as input to create the NN pipelines and deep stream applications. So first, it asks me to select a folder. So I'll select my workspace directory. My workspace directory already has a model file. Now this model file is for image segmentation, and I want to make a Python program that does real-time image segmentation using my laptop's webcam. Now I'll type the prompt to create a Python program for real-time image segmentation using this model. Now this agent is getting started. It has all the tools to analyze the files into this folder, and it can run commands in the terminal, and it can install Python packages, and it can then create the file, and it can run the file as well to show if it is working or not. So first it has generated a task map for me regarding what it is going to do, and I think it is right. So I'll just type in yes and proceed. So now it wants to create a new Python file in my workspace folder with the name realtime segmentation.py, and now it asks me to run it, and it works. Yeah, this is good enough. Okay, so now I have the Python program. So I have a prerequisite already set to be taken as input to make the NN pipelines. So let's go ahead and create a new project. This time we'll choose NN project and click on create. Now NN project requires two things: a model file which I already have, and it requires the Python file which will be submitted by the tracer. So we'll go and upload the model file first. And meanwhile it's getting uploaded, I'll open the terminal, navigate to my workspace folder where the Python file was created, and run the Python file. Okay. Now Tracer has detected what Python files are involved in this project. So I'll go ahead and click on submit trace data. Now trace data is submitted. That means the Python files involved in this project and the model file has been sent to the server. Now I'll click on generate architecture to analyze and see what this project is about. Now it has given me an architecture document highlighting what model is, what task I'm doing, and the overall block diagram and all the key steps which are uh, needed to do this functionality. Now I will check if NNStreamer already supports such a model or not. And if it doesn't support such a model, I'll need to create a custom decoder plugin for this specific model and task. So let's check it. And it says custom decoder is required for this model. So in order to create a custom plugin, we have a custom plugin generator. So I'll click on the custom plugin generator tab. Now this This section has listed that my task is image segmentation, what my model is, and it has already listed the list of installed plugins for an streamer tensor decoder. So I'll just go ahead and select generate plugin. So now what it is doing is creating a sub plugin for tensor decoder that supports my model, because NNStreamer comes with a support of only a bunch of models for each task, and in order to support a new model it needs a custom plugin needs to be created. So it has taken my model, it has the Python files to identify what kind of functionality my that I want, and then it tries to create a C file in which will be used as a tensor decoder sub plugin, and then using that sub plugin we will create a gstreamer pipeline which uses our model and does real time image segmentation. So now this is analyzing everything, and this process takes a while, and once that is done it will start generating some code. Okay, so now it has started generating the code in C for the sub plugin. It is quite long and complicated, so let's see how it works. Okay, so now it has completed the coding part. We can go ahead and compile. It'll ask for password to install this and compile it on the system and install it as a SO file with all rest of the tensor decoder subplugins. Now I can refresh the list to see my new plugin is listed here. Now let's click on generate pipeline to finally generate the GStreamer pipeline. This is the final part of this project, what we wanted, where we wanted to go to, and that is to create a GStreamer pipeline using a Python program as input. And that Python program is also made by this tool. So the overall workflow is that we first have a task for which we want a GStreamer pipeline. So we first test the functionality as a Python program, and once that Python program is ready, we feed it into the NNStreamer project, and that takes the Python program and makes a GStreamer pipeline out of it. So yes, the pipeline is generated. Let's click on run pipeline to see, and yes, it works. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.